second start for the Athletics, and no decision, but look at the numbers. 8 innings. Just 1 walk at those 8 innings. 89 pitches against the very aggressive hitting Toronto Blue Jays.
Swing and a miss. So Young strikes out. First strikeout for Brandon McCarthy. Caused him to change the
direction.
Couple strikeouts for McCarthy. Kuzminov in, and he bunts it. First base side. McCarthy Barons flips underhand in time to get the seal.
One selected to draw the MLB logo.
Marcellus has it. They'll get the out at second, and that's a double play. Strike 3 called. Got him swinging. Breaking ball. Tomey strikes out. Strike 3 on the swing by Valencia. So 7 1/3 this afternoon for Brandon McCarthy.